guys, so ayun, dito tayo ngayon sa Ibiya kasi pupunta kami ng gawain sa Esque. Ayan, nasa kalagitnaan na tayo ng biyahe. Ayan, kalagitnaan na tayo. Ayun pala eh. Pero malakas ang init-init. Ayan, wala pa tayong masakyan.
Kung snow pwede eh.
Oo. Kung malamig-lamig pwede eh.
Kung Tagaytay ang feels.
Ba't para mas maganda lang dito?
Sama ka. Ay, sorry.
Dito na tayo. Init! Init guys! Pero the weather is weathering. Hello guys! Ba't zoom na zoom? Zoom nga siya. Andito kami kay Villar City. The Villar City. Ayan, nakikita niyo ba to guys? This is a heart guys. Siyempre, hindi niyo makikita. Kasi limited ang ano ng camera ito. Ayan, ayan ang gitna. Guys. This is what I call beloved nature. Ayan na naman tayo. Nandito tayo. Dami ko... Ay! Ano ba yun? Nagulat ako. So guys, run. Run, run. Easy, easy guys. Nakasakay na kami. Just to update you guys.
Few moments later.
Yeah, so nandito na kami sa Meadows guys. Can you see the place? Yeah.
I would rather wear sweatpants than a dress. And I feel most like myself when my hair's a mess. I gotta remind myself that pizza ain't really that good for me. And I wonder why I'm single at least 3 times a week. Oh, I know I might sound a little typical, and I know I don't sound too original, but to you, I'm one of a kind. You look at me and you say she's mine. To you, I'm not as crazy as I think. And you see me fall, but your grace won't let me stay down. You love me anyway. So it don't really matter what I think, because you love me. Sometimes it's hard to tell people how I feel. I'd rather sing than speak, but that just gets too real. I know that Jesus loves me, but it's sometimes hard to see. And that was hard to say, 'cause I don't know what you'll think of me.
Ay na guys!
Tapos ko lang paligo eh.
Uy, wala ka na wala speaker! Welcome back! Ikaw? Wala kami mapipigilan. Wala speaker, ya?
Ako wala.
Kuya, sasabay daw sila pastor sa holiday. Kompleto, isang linggong gabi tayo nakakasakay ng
Ikaw,
kabiro.
andun sila kung ano
Miss kita si Kapre.
Nasaan na? Wait lang. So yun guys, sunduyan sila pastor.
Andun sila kailangan, kuya.
So, busog tayo.
Oo.
Wait lang daw. Pupunta na sila holiday. Parang isang taon tayo ng ano.
Now playing, new name.
Ano ba yun?
Breathing down in love. I'm so ready, change me now. I'm walking free. I got that picture. We see it's all over me. I'm so ready, change me now. Now I'm losing patience.
So ayan, stop
We're
over.
here at all day, guys, and
Ay, sabihin ko pala, nandito na kami sa stop over ang mga
film namin, ngayon lang kami nabuhay sa Earth. Eh,
Totoo! Paano mo year?
ngayon lang kami na huminga.
Dito na ba yung all day? Paano
Ay,
nga?
nadapa.
Ayan guys!
Nadapa.
Ay mo na, stop over ang mga... Tama, wala pa
Stop
sila.
over.
Ba't nakasum talaga? Kaya dyan, saan ka muna sa vlog namin?
Jollibee chicken.
Ha?
One chicken fillet.
Paano na-float?
Isang McDo.
Guys, tusok-tusok.
Tuhog-tuhog kami, guys.
Oh, I don't sound too original, but to you, I'm one of a kind. You look at me and you say she's mine. To you, I'm not as crazy as
2,000 years later.
Update, nasa cab na kami, guys. Ang catching ay nasa cab. We touching.
Patutog ba ako?
Okay na po.
Dito nga siya.
Wala pa sa
Bye ulit. Sige. Sige. Ay,
Ano mga lila?
Bye ulit. Kita-kits.